Hey everybody, Meteorologist Stein here. So we had one system that just moved through Colorado that brought some areas up to about 30 inches of new snow, and that system is beginning to move out, and behind that we already have another one that's going to be working its way in. Take a look at Crested Butte this morning. You could barely even see their snow state cam because there was so much snow that fell just in the last 24 hours, 48 hours or so. They're reporting officially just over 22-24 inches of snow, but Purgatory got about 27 inches of snow. And take a look at the interpolated snowfall really across the entire west over the last 48 hours. The Tahoe area and areas around the Sierra Nevada mountains picked up about maybe 6 to 10 inches of snow. Similar story there up in the Washington Cascades and northern Oregon Cascades. Salt Lake City and some of the ski areas around the Wasatch and Uinta Mountains also right about maybe 8 to 16 inches of snow. And then there's some of those bigger totals there in and around Steamboat Springs, Purgatory, Silverton, Crested Butte, all just doing really well in terms of the snow that they got in the last couple of hours. Now we do have another system that's going to be moving through, already starting to bring snow into British Columbia and the Cascades of Washington, Hurricane Ridge starting to see some snow. What's going to be happening with this system is we're actually going to see a lot of this moisture dig down off to the south, and that's going to bring much of the West Coast some snow in the next coming days. And this could be a very big storm for some of the Sierra especially. So taking a look at basically the winds and the pressures that is going to be going on over the next couple of days, we have our storm that's departing Colorado that is moving out into the plains. Our next system already bringing in a lot of moisture here into the Pacific Northwest. So as we go through time, we're going from Saturday to Sunday here. Notice how we continue to bring all of these winds and all of this moisture down off of the Pacific Ocean. This is going to be blasting the Cascades and the inland areas of Montana and Idaho with some really great snows between Sunday and Monday. And then as we head towards Monday and Tuesday, the system starts to get a little bit deeper and we actually start to see so much moisture just getting pummeled into the Sierra Nevada. They're expecting several feet of snow from this system as we head into the next couple of days. Eventually this system will traverse all the way inland, bringing Colorado another chance for some snow. The Wasatch and Uintas are going to see some snow from this. The Tetons as well as the Bitterroots and the Rockies of Montana all going to be seeing some snow from this. So some really good news here. If you're a powder chaser, if you're going to be looking for some fresh snow during the next work week, we have a lot of it that is in the forecast. Here's a look at the snow totals between now and Tuesday, and man, yeah, we are talking about a lot of snow here. Upwards of 1.5 feet to maybe 3 feet of snow up in the Pacific Northwest, especially the Washington Cascades. Not really a lesser amount of that as we head into the Oregon Cascades, but about 18 to 30 inches of snow looking likely. And then the California mountains, the Sierra Nevada, oof, it is going to be a good storm for them. Upwards of maybe 5 to 6 feet of snow could fall on some of the highest terrain there, and that could come with some 80 to 100 mile per hour winds. So some pretty intense conditions coming to the Sierra Nevada, and then the northern Rockies from the Tetons to the Bitterroots to the Montana Rockies. Yeah, we're looking pretty good with about maybe 10 to 30 inches of snow coming for them. For Utah, Colorado, the snow that you see under here, that is from the exiting storm that is currently exiting today. We are expecting maybe an additional 5 to 10, maybe 15 inches of snow possible with this storm as it comes into the interior west for Tuesday and Wednesday. Overall, a great snow forecast for us here across the western U.S. If you're getting up to Lake Tahoe in the Sierra Nevada, go ahead and send some pictures in anywhere that you are, because the snow that's coming in the next couple of days all up and down the west coast is going to be some pretty great snow conditions. So enjoy. Have fun out there. Be safe. Travel is going to be especially impacted here, but for the most part, we just have a great powder forecast in store, and hopefully this will continue as we get a little bit closer into the Christmas holiday. Y'all have a great day.